I'm back, do what I can. If I can't, I'll rest a little bit and do what I can.
And Nueces County Judge Lloyd Neal makes an emotional return to the Commissioner's Court. Thank you for joining us. Now, Judge Neal hadn't been to a court meeting since mid-January when he was hospitalized for pneumonia.
Now, this morning, the judge showed a side of himself that is rarely seen in public as he talked about that illness. Now, our Greg Chandler has been following this story for us, and he joins us now with more on that.
Well, Lee, it's been a long road back to the Commissioner's Court for Judge Neal. He says he's not back to full strength yet, but after battling for his life, the judge is thrilled to be back to work.
When I went to the hospital, my kidneys were failing, and I didn't know if I was coming out.
Nueces County Judge Lloyd Neal was emotional as he opened Commissioner's Court Thursday, Neal's first since recovering from a near-fatal illness.
When I got to the hospital, I was there 6 days in intensive care. I had a really severe case of pneumonia in my left lung, and I'd been sick a week and I didn't know it.
Judge Neal rates his condition as, quote, 7 out of 10, but improving.
I'm really doing better than they thought I would. We're back in business, and I may not be here every day for a while, but I'm going to be here as much as I can.
Despite his recovery, Judge Neal found time to work from home in his absence. However, he's grateful to be back at the office.
We didn't miss a lick as far as getting everything signed and on top of things, and I read a bunch of stuff. I'm so glad to be back at work.
He says words of support from county residents and fellow commissioners helped Judge Neal during his recovery.
The community's been great, the court has been great, the staff has been great, and I'm going to ease back into this, and in about 3 more weeks I should be in pretty good shape.
Thank you very much.
Now, Judge Neal says he'll deliver his State of the County address in November. The judge previously announced this would be his last term as the head of the Commissioner's Court. Greg Chandler, Chris 6 News. Lee?
All right, thank you very much, Greg.